I just wanted to show you this account that I'm at right now, and this pool right here. I wanted to show you something that you don't see every day with a pool. Doing what I do, having pool routes and having calls all the time, this is the only account that I do not have a pool with a main drain. And as you can see, there is no main drain. The only thing that there is right down here. There's a drain right here. That's actually a suction drain, and the only thing that this has is a skimmer. So it's pretty unusual to find these because this is just an older pool. But yeah, I just wanted to show you this just in case you've never seen one. I normally do not take pools that don't have main drains because essentially they're equal to almost like an above ground pool, and I don't service above ground pools. So but just wanted to show you this and just get in some pollen ring. There's like a ring of pollen around the pool, and got to do a little bit more to finish up here, and then I'm going to be done and on to my next account. So all right, well, hope you like this video, and subscribe for more videos like this.